Apple iOS 18, how to enable and use the new eye tracking feature on iOS devices. Apple's newest update in iOS 18 has already launched several innovative features for iOS users, one of them being eye tracking. The feature is integrated with advanced technologies that use the front-facing camera on an iPhone by following the user's eye movement, permitting the user to control screen accessibility. Eye tracking lets users navigate, make selections, and take actions on the iOS device in an entirely new way, only using their eyes. It just went live alongside the iOS 18 public beta and is now available for people on the latest iOS 18 developer beta. Here are the step-by-step instructions to set up and then use the new eye tracking feature on your iOS device running Apple iOS 18. First, make sure that the iOS device is running the latest iOS 18. Go to Settings, select General, go to Software Update to check for updates. Now go to the Settings app, select Accessibility, click on the eye tracking option, and turn the slider on. Now follow the on-screen instructions to set up eye tracking. Look at the front camera and follow the prompts to complete the calibration process. Now head to Settings, go to Accessibility, now go to eye tracking, now select Controls, then change the different actions associated with looking left, right, etc. For example, look left to go back and right to select. Open an app or access a feature you would like to control using eye tracking. Use your gaze to control the interface by looking towards your front camera. Now go to Settings, Accessibility, now go to eye tracking and select Settings to adjust the sensitivity, the toggle, the camera preview, and so on.